Hi everyone, how's your day going? Mine has been an exciting journey so far. Pada video kali ini kita akan ikut Chicago Riverboat Tour di mana kalian bisa lihat banyak sekali bangunan ikonik dengan desain arsitektur yang luar biasa. By the way, Chicago ini emang terkenal sebagai salah satu kota dengan arsitektur terbaik di dunia loh. Dan tidak hanya itu, kita juga akan naik ke Chicago 360 untuk melihat keindahan kota Chicago dari ketinggian 1030 kaki atau sekitar 314 meter di atas permukaan tanah. So, stay tune terus, mari kita explore bareng-bareng. Masih dalam perjalanan ke tempat apalah, tapi gila banget di sini kayak vibes arsitekturnya kayak you need to see this. Gila bagus banget. Gila kayak jalan di tengah bangunan tinggi tapi banyak pohon-pohonnya juga. It's really beautiful. Kita turun dulu. Masih jalan turun ke bawah. Ntar lagi kita sampai. Let's see. So this is the queue. Kita mau naik dulu. Semoga boleh bawa kamera ya. Orang-orang lagi rame, lagi pada ngantri. Tapi rindang banget loh di sini. Walaupun banyak bangunan tinggi, tapi rindang banyak pohon-pohonnya juga, so nyaman banget. Gila sih, tata letak kotanya beda banget kayak I've never experienced this kind of environment before. Bagus banget. So kita bakal nunggu dulu, nanti kalau kita udah bisa naik, okay, I'll show you again. See you. Okay, now we're on the boat, waiting for the boat to sail. Jadi ini sekitarnya kita bakal jalan kelilingin sungai ini ke sana dan ke sana juga. So, let's see gimana view-nya.
I'll say it loud. He was black and I'm proud. Jean-Baptiste Point du Sable, 1790. Here we have on our right the Wrigley Building, 1924. Spanish colonial inspired French Renaissance. What a mouthful. Graham Anderson Probst in white. That's artisanally crafted terracotta tile that was baked for this job, excuse me, with clay that was pulled out of the ground for this job. Is that custom or what? On your left, you'll see that the second city of Chicago is 3 stories above the first city. We accidentally burned the first one down, and since it flooded several times, we decided to raise the second city a couple stories out of the floodplain. The entire city has been raised, some places a few centimeters, some places 3 stories. High and on the right is the Trump International Hotel and Tower. 2009, neo-futurist postmodernism. 422 meters in height, if you include the spire, which we do because it's permanent and considered artwork. The Trump International Hotel and Tower has the same designer as the Burj Khalifa, Adrian Smith. The Burj Khalifa, this is the prototype for the Burj Khalifa. The skeletons are identical, and the scale of the Burj is 2.5 times that of the Trump. Can you imagine 2.5 times? Wow. That's incredible to me. Ahead of us on the starboard side, you'll have the American Medical Association. This is called commercial modernism. Commercial modernism means less is more. A lot of us call it the IBM. Less is more. Commercial modernism conceptualized by Mies van der Rohe. He said you don't need Greek goddesses and fleur-de-lis and Latin inscriptions to attract customers. What you need is a practical, durable, and economic building with a marketing department. Some people call this approach innovative. Other people call this approach... High on the starboard side is the Marina City Towers, 1966, organic style by Bertrand Goldberg. The most photographed buildings in the city of Chicago per Instagram, so you know that's legit. They are fun to look at, and we like to take photos of things that are fun to look at. Bertrand Goldberg rejected 90-degree angles, claiming that we should be living in organic spaces like the rest of the living Earth. Cubicles and rectangular prisms are toxic to our minds, according to Bertrand Goldberg. We should be living in the petals of a flower. We should be living in the combs of honey. We should be living in the corn cobs of the Midwest. It's a city within a city. It's got a yacht dealership, a lobster shack, steakhouse, marina, bowling alley, bar and grill, house of blues, dance club, dry cleaner, parking, condo. It is a city within a city. 2 cars have come off the side. One for a film with Steve McQueen, the other for an insurance commercial. Are you in good hands? On your starboard side here, you have RPM Seafood, Portofino, but the building is called the American Bar Association. If you're a bad lawyer, you already knew that. This is from 2000, Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, Contemporary Modern. It used to be a sleepy legal office. Once RPM and Portofino moved in 2021, it became the day drinking capital of the riverfront. Oh my God, those parents are trashed.
Oh.
It's alright, the toddler can drive on. Here we have the oldest industrial riverside warehouse on the Chicago River's main stem. It's the last one. George Nimitz designed, symmetrical. Installed for Monarch Grocery Wholesaler in 1914, symmetrical. Is the building before you symmetrical? LaSalle Street had its bridge, had to be expanded, so they removed a bay of windows and slammed the bookend, hoping you wouldn't notice. But you did notice, because you have the best tour guide on the Chicago River in a Texas taco cowboy hat. Yeah. That's a conditional fact. There's about 3 of you staring at me with permanent scowls. It's a conditional fact. Chill out. If you like to go green, take a look at this building. If you don't like to go green, take this minute to read a book. 300 North LaSalle, a platinum certified leader in energy that you'll ever see. This is River Point, Picard and Chilton, 2017. Parabolic Contemporary. That parabola is load-bearing, allowing trains to run underneath the building. You'll see a steel sculpture called Constellation, designed by Santiago Calatrava. These bridges all still work. Some of them are 100 years old. They work, because sometimes we need to use them for sailboats and such. If you want to see the most beautiful image of the day, there it is. It's you. You are an incredible gift. Some of you are having trouble accepting that gift of yourself. Your inner monologue is incorrect. You are a gift. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm not talking to you. But I'm so glad you're here. 150 North Riverside is a 54-story building on a 14-meter foundation designed by Getcher Partners, installed in 2017. They're using the world's strongest steel from Luxembourg for this application. It cantilevers over the trains on the west side. It cantilevers over the Riverwalk. 1,000 bronze-tinted windows. Designed by Skidmore, Owings & Merrill. It's 442 meters in height. That does not include the antennae. The antennae are AT&T. That's spelled differently from art. These were installed in 2010. When we installed them, we found 13 native species of fish. 10 years later, we found 71 native species of fish. It turns out fish prefer to breed in soft grass instead of hard concrete. That's one more thing they have in common with primates. The dikes are busted. The flow of the sanitary and ship canal starts. It sucks water from Lake Michigan through the Chicago River, through the sanitary and ship canal, into the Des Plaines River, Illinois River, Mississippi Gulf. I got an email about that too. That's why I say the P so hard. When we reversed the flow of the industrial corridor, we accidentally destroyed the Chicago River, Des Plaines River, Illinois River, and parts of the Mississippi. Luckily, the EPA sped to the rescue 72 years later. That's why we have formerly endangered. Who cared? Just Ontario. Nobody else. Any Ontarians on the boat? You're the heroes in this story. Hey! Wow, that's a record for this year. I don't think we've ever had a boat with more.
Oke, so tadi kita baru aja beres naik dari boatnya. Seru banget, gila banyak bisa ngeliat view bangunan-bangunan bagus di Chicago dan bisa ngelewatin sungainya, dan banyak banget jelasin sama tour guide tadi tentang background behind each of the buildings. Dan sekarang kita lagi mau nunggu naik ke sky deck, jadi kita bisa ngeliat kota Chicago dari ketinggian, so it will be good. Tapi kita jam 4 kesana ya, jadi kita masih nunggu, kita masih exploring around the city. Mungkin kita pergi ke Riverwalk or Navy Pier, I don't know. Well, let's see. Enjoy the video. Let's go. Okay, now we're almost at Navy Pier. As you guys can see, there's a ferry wheel over there, and we are going that way. Ooh, so far it's been like a great experience. Jadi kita mau ke Navy Pier untuk jalan-jalan dan lihat-lihat di sana ada apa. Semoga ada yang menarik. Tapi dari tadi kayak yang bikin spesial dari Chicago itu keindahan kotanya sih menurut aku. Arsitekturnya dan juga tata letak kotanya. Terus banyak banget taman-taman di sini, jadi kayak balance antara gedung-gedung tinggi sama kayak hijau-hijau Depok. Keren banget sih. Pas hari ini pakai baju juga hijau juga, jadi matching. So let's see how the Navy Pier looks like. Let's go. Berangkat dulu. Okay. So is this the Navy Pier? Like, is this the Navy Pier? Like, oh yeah.
Yeah, I guess past year.
Oh, that's cool. Oke, akhirnya sampai juga di Navy Pier setelah jalan sekitar 15 atau 20 menitan tadi. Jadi ferry wheel-nya ada di sebelah sana, sudah semakin dekat. Can you see it? Iya, bisa Navy ada ferry wheel. Ini. So, ternyata Navy Pier ya ramai ternyata, ramai banget. Banyak orang di sana. Mungkin di sini banyak restoran, orang-orang di pier, kelihatan lautan. So, kalau kalian bisa lihat nanti di sana, itu langsung menghadap ke laut. It's really beautiful. Sekarang kita nunggu mau nyebrang lagi. Sini banyak restoran, bukan restoran sih, kayak bar gitu. Ada yang jual koktail, ada tavern. Jadi di sebelah kiri sini itu banyak bar, di sebelah kanan ini langsung lautan. Indah banget. Coba kalian lihat sendiri. Nah, Di sebelah sini itu lautan. Di sebelah sini itu banyak bar, banyak tavern. Lautannya. Here's the ferry wheel. It's pretty big. Gede banget. Okay. Now for the view.
But it was way too
Gila. Gila. Oke, sekarang kita pergi dari Navy Pier untuk ke bangunannya. Waktunya cukup mepet, jadi nggak bisa banyak stay di sana. So, we're going to the sky deck. See you guys there. Wow. Is this a river walk?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Oh, or I think you call it like Lakeside Trail.
Oh yeah, like side trail.
Oh, or Lakefront Trail.
Mhm. Oh yeah, lakefront trail. Jadi kalau kalian lihat, kita lagi jalan di benar-benar di pinggir laut. Ini di sana laut, dan di sini gedung-gedung tinggi. Jadi gila banget. Jadi kita bakal jalan dulu sepanjang ini untuk ke skydeck. Itu bagus banget pemandangan. Di sini laut, dan di sini gedung-gedung tinggi. Gila banget sih. Kayak dua dunia yang beda banget. Gedung tinggi, laut. Wow. Keren banget. I love this city.
All different backgrounds.
Oke, sekarang kita udah di 360 Chicago.
Are united by
Kita
commitment to
bakal
community.
naik ke atas untuk melihat view-nya.
For well over 200 years, Chicago has been in a constant
Kita
state
bakal
of
naik ke
growth.
atas untuk
The
melihat
city has
Chicago.
been built up, torn down, and
Let's
built
go.
back
Let's see.
stronger.
Did you want to read anything, or are you good with walking through?
Yeah, I think we're good. Do you want to read?
Oh, no.
So we are on our queue to get to the top. So let's see where I can bring my camera or video camera or not. Hopefully we can record like the moment we get there. That's good. Can we touch the screen? Oh no, it's not a touch screen. Okay, shall we continue? Oh, we need to wait. Kita masih nunggu lagi. Tidak, kita lihat apakah boleh apa enggak. Tadi habis foto dulu. Berada bagus kayaknya fotonya. Oke, so kita sudah tiba di atas skydeck-nya. Kalian penasaran sama view-nya? Look at this. Gee.
So I guess those are the tennis courts right this about.
Oh yeah. That's the tennis court. Dan itu lantai 94, jadi tinggi banget. I think we can still go upstairs? Or is it like the maximum?
I forget if there's another one above this.
Cloud wall. So this is like another. Kota-kota. Oh, that's the green building that we saw earlier on the ferry. It's not a ferry, not but a boat.
That's Trump's one.
Yeah, that one. Jadi ini Trump Tower yang tadi, terus ini Tower Hijau yang tadi kita lewatin pas lagi naik perahu. You wanna go there? The Cloud Walk? What are they queuing for? Masuk ke Cloud Walk.
I think this was something you need like a ticket for.
Oh, like another ticket?
Yeah. Or just like you lean out and like so.
Oh. Oke. Jadi di sini kita juga bisa beli tiket lagi untuk naik seperti itu. Jadi nanti bakal dimiringin ke sana. Jadi kita bisa ngeliat turun ke bawah. Gila banget sih. Jadi kalau ke sana kita perlu kayak beli tiket lagi katanya gitu. Jadi dia tuh kayak segini posisinya, cuman kayak kita bisa dimiringin ke bawah gitu, jadi bisa ngeliat condong ke bawah. Gila sih. Jadi nanti isi ininya bakal condong sana, jadi kita bisa ngeliat. Tapi view-nya kurang lebih sama. But I think the view will be the same, right? The difference is like we got like tilted like forward. Ya, udah aku mau coba keliling-keliling dulu. Let's go.